So that's when I stopped by the house with Toby one day and was greeted by my mother at the front door. She stared at me for quite a while, making me uneasy. So to withdraw from this awkward situation, I gently pulled my dog by the leash, thinking I should bring him inside the house. However, to my surprise, my mother heard her hollering in the dining room one night. I got up to check on her and saw that she was distraught by all the broken plates scattered on the floor. Then, as soon as she saw me, she yanked me by the collar and said,
"Donate this dog. Give him away or leave him in the forest. I don't care. Just get rid of him."
I didn't know what to make of it, since Toby was well behaved the entire time. For all I know, my mother could have been the one responsible for all the broken plates, coercing me to cave in.
It'll all be over soon, you rodent. You don't belong here. My son's right. It's no use giving you away. That wouldn't suffice. What we need is a permanent solution. It's time to give thanks.
I know you're lying. Where's
Toby?
Oh, come on. Don't you want some delicious turkey? No, shut up. Tell me where Eddie is. I really thought you were smart. I can't believe you haven't figured it out yet. Isn't it obvious? Eddie is right here!
My jaws dropped, and my father stood in horror at the sight of something that was definitely Toby. She glanced at my father and me, saying,
I thought of being more creative this year, so bon appetit!
And just like that, Toby went from an adorable pet to a nauseating dinner that would leave me traumatized forever.